Mangwabe says Musamseleku has turned to be a monster. Which monster, guys? Because Musamseleku bring Makwela the number 5. Now he is the monster. Why he can't say to her that when he bring her, he is the monster? Because he was married with the 4 wives. Musamseleku was married to Masaule, Macele, Mayeni, and Makumalo. But Musamseleku bring Mangwabe. Why all the times Mangwabe, when she wants to say, she says Musamseleku is a monster. Now he is the monster because he bring Makwela, the 5th wife. Sometimes Mangwabe, when she is saying her words, you know that sometimes we say people are go to school, but some of the things they don't make any sense. Mangwabe, her conversation doesn't make any sense at all, and she says she didn't want to accept that wife, to accept even the child, what. Mangwabe, guys, even we can say what. People, even they can insult me. Mangwabe doesn't make any sense at all. She doesn't make any sense. Even her conversation, people, they know that Mangwabe's conversation most of the times, she doesn't make any sense the way she is talking. Mangwabe can't compare her marriage with Makumalo's marriage. We know that Musamseleku is not a good man to Makumalo. But when it comes to her, Musamseleku is a good husband to Mangwabe. So we can't compare their marriages. Their marriages are different. You understand? Makumalo have got their own marriage. Mangwabe have got their own marriage. So Mangwabe can't compare Makumalo's marriage and their marriage. Musamseleku is a good husband to Mangwabe. But when it comes to Makumalo, he is not a good husband. That's all.